Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a way to improve communication and collaboration within your team, then Slack is the perfect tool for you. Today, we'll give you an introduction to Slack and how it can streamline your team's workflow. Let's get started. 1. Setting up your Slack workspace. Sign up and create a workspace for your team. Choose your workspace name and URL, and invite team members to join. Customize your workspace with a logo, color scheme, and settings to match your team's branding. 2. Organizing communication with channels. Create channels for different projects, departments, or topics. Public channels are open for everyone, while private channels are for select members. Use channels to keep discussions organized and ensure that everyone stays on track. 3. Sending direct messages, DMs. Send private messages to team members for one-on-one conversations. You can also send group DMs for smaller team discussions outside of channels. DMs help to reduce clutter in channels and facilitate quick communication. 4. Integrating Slack with other tools. Slack integrates with many popular tools like Google Drive, Trello, Asana, and more. Use these integrations to bring all your project updates, file sharing, and reminders directly into Slack. Centralize everything in one place to increase team productivity. 5. Using Slack bots and automation. Slack comes with built-in bots like Slackbot that help with reminders, FAQs, and more. Automate routine tasks such as sending reminders for meetings or project deadlines. Bots help save time and reduce repetitive manual work. 6. File sharing and collaboration. Easily share files, documents, and links in Slack channels or DMs. You can also comment on files and collaborate directly within Slack without switching apps. Store important files in Slack for easy access by the team. 7. Slack search function. Use Slack's powerful search tool to find past messages, files, or specific information. Filter by keywords, channels, or date to narrow down your search results. The search function ensures that important conversations don't get lost in the noise. 8. Video calls and screen sharing. Slack allows you to make voice and video calls directly from the platform. You can share your screen during video calls for better collaboration. This feature is especially useful for remote teams who need quick virtual meetings. Slack is more than just a chat tool. It's a comprehensive collaboration platform that brings everything your team needs into one place. With Slack, you'll boost productivity, enhance communication, and improve team efficiency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.